I cannot overemphasize how important it is to prepare for the wedding day. I know it sounds really simple, but the more you prepare, the more you're likely to succeed during your portrait session. Two aspects of preparation that are really important are preparing your equipment and location scouting. Now I know, talking about preparing equipment sounds so elementary, but yet it's so vital and crucial in order for us to nail that portrait session. Simple things like charging your batteries, making sure your memory cards are formatted, checking to make sure your camera bodies and lenses are working well, and just making sure that all your equipment is ready and in place for you when the portrait session starts. They're all things that we can do to make sure that we can nail that portrait session. I know and have heard so many countless stories of photographers who haven't had batteries charged by accident, or their memory cards were full and they couldn't delete it because they haven't backed it up. And it just caused extra stress already during that high intensity time of portrait sessions. So let's make sure that we prepare equipment so we don't have to worry about it on the wedding day and especially during the portrait session.